In this video we will play with the shrink wrap and block options in the mop. So here we have the stack beetle. We have got our updates off, and let us shrink wrap, say 20. So this will shrink wrap the object, in this case the stack beetle, and it will try to plus and size. So we have got the shrink wrap. Now let us again turn on this voxel region. Now this is the 0 voxel region we have turned on. Now let's see if we invert the mask buffer, what do we see? So let us just mop invert, and we see the whole block. Let's cut it, and this is what we have. So as you can see here, this is the hollow region where our stack beetle lies. Okay, so let's invert it back. So mop and invert again, and we are back here. Now let me just turn this up and see a city block. So mop, city block, and let's say go 5 voxels deep, and this is what. So city block transform will, it's a distance transform, and it will go deep into the surface. On the surface we will have 0 values, and as we go deeper the mask value increases, and this mask value is then multiplied with the opacity, and that will get the silhouettes in this region, whereas the solid part is here. Now let's reset it back. So we go mop sat1 0. Now sat1 is basically saturate the mask values, and 0 parameter means anything that is above 0 will be saturated to 1, or saturated to 255, because this is an unsigned character buffer. So we saturate that, and now instead of city block 5, give say city block 10. So we are going pixels inside, and you start seeing more details. Now instead of say 10, if you go 20, so let me just cancel that, and this is what you see here. Instead of say 10, we can go 20. So let me just saturate it back to the original, and let me give say city block 20. And you start seeing more details here. Now what I can do is, now instead of saturating it to 1, let me saturate the values to 0. So mop sat 0. Anything that is less than say 5 voxel, 5 mask value 5 is saturated to 0. So we get this one, and then anything that is above 5, or say above 0, is saturated to 1. So this is what it is. So we can saturate the mask values beyond a certain say value to back to 0, or up to 255, and then we can get whatever details that we want in the data.